How to copy X Twitter profile link. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of X Twitter application on your device. So as you can see, it is the latest version of the application as it doesn't show the option of update. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of X Twitter application. So just make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do simply over here is tap on the icon of the profile over here at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on that, you can just tap on your profile and then tap on profile again. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on share. As you tap on share, you can see different options available over here where you can share it. So I'm going to share it to the Telegram application over here and tap on Telegram and then select the person or the group that you want to send it to. Then tap on send. And here you can see the profile has been copied and shared. So you can just copy it and share it again to anywhere, to anybody. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.